Want to transfer your Bitcoin from Binance to your Trust wallet? Here's how to do it safely and efficiently. Start by logging into your Binance account. Go to your wallet, then fiat in spot, find your Bitcoin balance, and click Withdraw. On the withdrawal page, ensure you've selected Bitcoin BTC. You'll need your Trust wallet Bitcoin address now. Open your Trust wallet app on the main screen. Tap on Bitcoin BTC, then copy your Bitcoin wallet address carefully. Back on Binance, paste the copied address precisely into the recipient's Bitcoin address field. Double-check every character. An error here loses your Bitcoin forever. Select the correct network, which should be the Bitcoin network for BTC. Confirm it matches your Trust wallet's expected network. Enter the amount of Bitcoin to withdraw. Be aware of the network fees displayed. Review the amount, address, and network one last time. Complete the security verification steps, typically involving codes from your email, SMS, and authenticator app. Your withdrawal will appear in your transaction history with a pending status. The time it takes depends on Bitcoin network confirmations. You can often track this via a blockchain explorer. Once the Bitcoin network confirms the transaction, your Bitcoin will appear in your Trust wallet. Congratulations! Your Bitcoin is now under your direct control.